and thank you for joining me. Well, today I have got a special one for you. Tomatoes are back in season and we're going to make a beautiful cream tomato soup. We're going to start by chopping our onion. Now we're going to fry the onions off with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to run that for about 3 minutes. Now that our onions are fried off, we're going to add our ingredients. We've got about 1 kilo of fresh tomatoes, a couple of carrots, some vegetable stock, fresh homemade of course, some water. We're going to add some some white pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. And we're ready to run the cream soup program. Now that our soup's blended, I'm going to add a handful of basil leaves and we're going to rerun that for about 15 seconds. I'm now going to add half a cup of cream and a little bit of cayenne pepper, which is optional, but really does add to the flavour. We're now going to just pop that on for another 10 seconds. And there we have it, our beautiful, delicious, creamy tomato soup. Bon appetit!